Did you know that roasting broccoli not only enhances its flavor but also boosts nutrient absorption? Here's a simple and delicious way to enjoy this powerhouse veggie: zesty lemon garlic roasted broccoli. Try this today with just 3 ingredients. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees, 220 degrees. While it heats, chop 1 head of fresh broccoli into bite-sized florets, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. In a bowl, toss the broccoli with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, the juice of 1 fresh lemon, salt, and pepper to taste. Spread the mixture on a baking sheet in a single layer and roast for 20 to 25 minutes until the edges are crispy and golden. Imagine a side dish that not only tastes amazing, but is also packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. This simple preparation method caramelizes the natural sugars in the broccoli, making it irresistibly flavorful. Plus, the lemon and garlic enhance the absorption of nutrients, making your meal even healthier. This dish pairs perfectly with grilled chicken or fish. Would you try this? Let us know your thoughts and share your favorite ways to enjoy broccoli.